Are you looking for the best way to get dental implants? Meet Yomi, a state-of-the-art robotic system that's more accurate than any other treatment offered today. That means your Yomi provider can bring back your smile precisely, quickly, and less invasively so you get optimal healing and the restorative outcome you deserve. In many cases, you can go from consult to a complete smile in the same day. Here's how Yomi works. First, your provider will review your case and take a quick CT scan of your mouth. Then, they will use this scan to create a detailed treatment plan in Yomi software. This streamlined digital workflow allows for same-day surgery in most cases. During the procedure, your doctor is always in control. Yomi simply prevents implants from going anywhere but precisely where the doctor planned it to go. The location, angle, and depth of each implant is managed in a way no other treatment type can come close to. More accurate than freehand, more accurate than guides, more accurate than navigation. Discover how Yomi and your provider can help get you back to sharing your beautiful smile with the world like nothing else can.